Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Happy summer vacations. Hope you all are doing well. So in this video we will talk about the summer pack of class 3 subject English. So let's start. Our first activity is about the comprehension. As all we know, in comprehension, we read the passage carefully and answer the given questions at the end of the passage. The passage is about the rats in the new town. So we will read the passage carefully and then we will be able to answer the following question. So go to the next page, page number 6. Here we have some questions, question 1, 2, 3 and 4. So let's start from the first question. Our first question is, why did the people of Newtown never want to live there? Tick the correct answer. So the answer will be, there were too many rats in the town. Our second question is, write the names of any two items that the rats had eaten. So the rats had eaten wheel of cheese and bag of sugar. Clear? So the third question is, why did the piper take all the children with him? So the answer is, he took them to a cave outside the town and then closed the entrance with a big rock. So this will the answer if you read the passage carefully. Clear? So we will go to the next question. Tick one box in each row to show whether each statement is true or false. So statements are given below. These statements are 4 and we will read them carefully according to the passage. Tick the true in true box and write cross in false box. I hope you all read the passage carefully, and this statement you can solve according to the passage. Clear? So now we will go to the next page, page number 7. In page number 7 we have two questions, question number 5 and question number 6. In question number 5, pick 3 nouns, adjectives and verbs from the passage and write in the space given below. As all we know, the definition of noun is the name of a person, place or a thing, and the adjective is a word that qualify a noun. For example, tall boy, beautiful girl. In these examples, beautiful and tall are the adjective. Clear? Verbs are action words. Something that we act is called verb. So in this passage or comprehension, nouns are rats, piper, cupboard. Adjectives are beautiful, colorful, greedy and playing. And the verbs are playing, arrived, felt. Clear? So now we will go to our last question. Find and write meanings of the following words. We have some words in the passage: noisy, scared, informed. Noisy means clamor. Scared means fearful. Informed means knowledgeable. I hope you all understand it and read the